Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Anis Aina binti Omar and I'm on behalf for my research team from University Technical Malaysia Melaka UTM would like to present our project for Festival of Ideas entitled of Soap Waste Cooking Oil Base Swob with addition of palm wax and beeswax. My supervisor are Dr. Hafizal, Madam Nurul Hanim and Dr. Asriana with myself and other teammate which is Nurul Afwanisa. Before we proceed further, here I will show a video on how the current issues of disposal waste cooking oil into drains has motivated us to conduct this study.
Saya rasa minyak ni dah kotor lah. Apa nak buat tak mau recycle lah. Baik saya buang kat sinki.
Hence, the main objective for this study is to solve the current environmental issue by recycling the waste cooking oil in order to produce a beneficial product which is Swob with an addition of palm wax and beeswax to speed up the solidification process. After this, there will be a demonstration video on the soap making process. From this slide, an improvement is made from the conventional soap to soap waste cooking oil base Swob in terms of the main ingredients. For the conventional soaps, two main ingredients we use which are waste cooking oil and sodium hydroxide. Same goes to our products. However, an improvement is made by adding palm wax and beeswax to speed up the solidification process. After this, there will be a demonstration video on the soap making process. Next, our novelty for this product are firstly low-cost material, as the feedstock is waste cooking oil which is known as a cheaper ingredient. The next one is the feedstock is renewable as it is abundantly available and environmentally safe. Lastly, our product is a non-petroleum base, indicates that it is non-toxic and organic. Here are some great collaboration can be made with these three organisations which are Perbadanan Teknologi Hijau Melaka, Majlis Amanah Rakyat MARA and Jabatan Kemajuan Orang Asli Jakwa. Proceed with the next one where results gained from the experimental were demonstrated in this slide. As we can see here, Swob with beeswax and palm wax has the shortest time in solidification process for 17 hours compared to other samples. An improvement is observed at 65% for hardening process compared to Swob. This indicates that palm wax and beeswax can speed up the solidification process of the soap making. This is the intellectual properties of our product from waste cooking oil until now. The left side is the trademark while the right side is our copyright for organic intelligent candle. Lastly, our group achievement in waste cooking oil products in some innovation competition. Lastly, some achievements are included such as Sinar Harian, a silver award at ITEX competition in 2020, also a silver award for UTMX in 2019, and lastly a silver in Anugerah Hijau by BTHM in 2019.